Hi, welcome to the channel. Let's make this bracelet today. Do subscribe to us for more content. Thank you. First, we start with 6mm agate, miyuki 11/0 seed beads, lobster clasps, jump ring, and bead cap. We'll be using the 0.25 nylon thread for this bracelet. Let's start. We will start from the extension. Tape it to your board. Put the nylon thread through the jump ring on the extension and tie a knot. We start with 2 beads on each side, with 1 bead and 6 beads on the left. One agate on the right, with 1 bead, 6 beads on the right, 1 agate on the left, with 1 bead. Continue doing this, left, right, and we'll tie a knot after the last bead. Put the bead cap, insert a seed bead through, and tie a triple knot. Fuse the knot with fire. Close the bead cap. I will cut the remaining line after we complete this. Attach the jump ring and the clasps via the jump ring. Close the jump ring. We are done. This is how it looks like on my hand. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe.